Makeup remover hacks. Get clean skin effortlessly. Removing makeup at the end of the day is essential for healthy, glowing skin. But it doesn't have to be a chore. You can efficiently remove makeup with the right hacks and techniques while keeping your skin nourished and refreshed. Here are some clever makeup remover hacks to help you effortlessly achieve clean, radiant skin. 1. Choose the right makeup remover. Not all makeup removers are created equal. Selecting the right one for your skin type and makeup needs is critical. For heavy makeup, opt for oil-based removers or cleansing balms, which are highly effective at breaking down stubborn products. For sensitive skin, use micellar water, which is gentle yet effective at removing dirt and makeup without irritation. For waterproof products, a dual-phase remover, oil and water blend, tackles long wear and waterproof formulas best. 2. Use coconut oil or olive oil. Natural oils are an excellent alternative to store-bought removers. Warm a small amount of coconut oil or olive oil between your fingers. Massage it onto your face in circular motions to dissolve makeup. Wipe it away with a damp microfiber cloth or cotton pad. Oils are great for removing waterproof mascara and matte lipstick while keeping your skin hydrated. 3. Double cleansing. For a deep clean, the double cleansing method ensures all traces of makeup are removed. Start with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup and sunscreen. Follow with a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining residue and deep clean your pores. This two-step process is beneficial for those with acne-prone skin. 4. Micellar water on a cotton pad. Micellar water is a game-changer for quick and gentle makeup removal. Soak a cotton pad with micellar water and press it onto your skin for a few seconds before wiping. Hold the pad over your eyelids for stubborn eye makeup to let the micelles break down the product before gently wiping it away. Micellar water is perfect for travel or when you're short on time. 5. Baby wipes. For a quick fix in a pinch, baby wipes can be a lifesaver. Choose unscented and alcohol-free options to avoid irritation. Use them to remove makeup from your face, but follow up with a proper cleanser to ensure no residue remains. While not a replacement for regular makeup removers, they work well for quick touch-ups or emergencies. 6. Steam your face first. Steaming helps to loosen stubborn makeup. Fill a bowl with hot water and position your face over it, covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. Steam for 5–10 minutes to open your pores and soften makeup, making removing it more accessible. This hack is handy for heavy makeup or after a long day. 7. DIY makeup remover pads. Create your own reusable makeup remover pads for an eco-friendly option. Mix equal parts of micellar water and aloe vera gel or witch hazel. Pour the mixture into a jar with cotton pads or reusable rounds. Store them in the fridge for a refreshing, ready-to-use solution. 8. Be gentle around the eyes. The skin around your eyes is delicate and prone to irritation. Avoid harsh rubbing or pulling when removing mascara or eyeliner. Use a cotton pad soaked in remover and gently press it onto your eyes for a few seconds before wiping downward. Use cotton swabs for precise removal in hard-to-reach areas. 9. Exfoliate after makeup removal. Occasional exfoliation ensures all remnants of makeup and dead skin are cleared away. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid once or twice weekly. This helps to brighten your complexion and prevent clogged pores. 10. Don't forget lip makeup. Bold lip colors, especially matte or long-wearing formulas, need special attention. Apply oil or remover onto a cotton pad and press it onto your lips. Wipe gently to avoid tugging or irritation. Finish with a hydrating lip balm to keep your lips soft and smooth. Conclusion: removing makeup doesn't have to be tedious. With these hacks, you can simplify your routine while ensuring your skin stays clean, healthy, and glowing. Whether you prefer natural oils, micellar water, or a DIY approach, these tips will help you effortlessly say goodbye to makeup residue.